We've got some pretty exciting news to share with you today about our improved accelerator investment offer. Hello, everyone. I'm David Cohen, the founder and CEO here at Techstars, and I'm joined by Andrew Cleland, our Chief Investment Officer. Hello. We've got some pretty exciting news to share with you today about our improved accelerator investment offer. Starting with our fall 2025 accelerator programs, we've got a new deal for you, and Andrew's going to tell you a bit about it.
The headline is that we're planning to invest more capital into each company that comes through the program. That headline figure is $220,000, and it breaks into two components. The first component is $20,000 plus, of course, the value of the program. The second component is a SAFE. That SAFE has an MFN against it, but is uncapped. So it grows with the value of the company as you graduate from the program.
So it's the same great Techstars accelerator program where you get amazing mentorship, access to capital, a fantastic network for life, and it's more capital, which gives you more time, more runway to get to that next round of capital and to build and grow your company. You know, our history is that we've always wanted to be aligned with you as founders in common stock. And we keep that history going forward, where the 5% common means that we'll be on the same side of the table as you for life and how we think about your company and its future. That uncapped note, I think, is really a great advantage as well, because it sends a signal that we're in at any price with that $200,000. Whatever price those next investors set, that works for us, and we don't put any limits on your valuation or ability to increase it.
So I'm going to talk you through the details of the new deal. It's $220,000 in capital, plus, of course, the value of the program overall. So that's tutoring, mentorship, customer introductions, follow-on investor introductions, vendor discounts, and so on. That $220,000 in capital has two components to it. The first is a convertible equity agreement for $20,000 that converts into common equity on a post-money basis. So we come into the cap table at the same place you are. We're broadly aligned. The second component is a $200,000 uncapped MFN SAFE that provides you with capital today, but gets priced at your subsequent round of financing. So taken together, what does that mean? Typically, Techstars receives in return something like 6 to 8% of the company on a fully diluted basis. So let me walk you through a couple of examples to make that a little bit more tangible. If you go on to raise at a $20 million valuation, Techstars receives 6% on a fully diluted basis. If you raise at a $10 million valuation, Techstars gets 7%. And if you raise at an $8 million valuation, Techstars receives 7.5%. So it typically falls into that 6 to 8% range on average. We put a lot of effort into redesigning this new deal. We think it provides a number of benefits for you as founders. The first is simply it's better value. It's more capital available to you at a relatively lower dilution. The second design element is we've tried to make it a little bit simpler. Both of those components that make up the deal are relatively easier to understand, and importantly, easy to compare to other offers that you may receive in the marketplace. And lastly, it's just simply more capital. You should be able to run further, run faster, gain more momentum, raise a more successful round of follow-on financing, which results in lower overall dilution for the company.
So we're excited about this new investment offer. We hope you are too. We think it's really a natural evolution of our long-standing commitment to helping founders succeed. And, you know, Techstars is for life. It's an experience that you go through in the accelerator, but the network is for life. And applications are now open with this new and improved investment offer. I look forward to reading yours and seeing what you're up to.